Okay, we've talked about milling and how that works, but didn't go through some of the little details. So this is sort of the show and tell for mill work. And you can see the digital readout. This one's digital readout, different one than the other video one, but the x-axis changes. And this part right up here is where the drawbar goes through. That drawbar comes down here, and then it attaches into the collets here. And let me this is a set of collets and some other cutters. One collet has been put into a drill chuck. You can see that ones that are going to be used on a milling machine are going to have a flat shank on it. And the R8 collets, the way they work is you put your end mill. This is a double end mill, very common. It goes in there, and then the drawbar grabs onto this and pulls those three jaws tight and holds that very tightly in place. So we have different size. You have different size collets for different size things that you're going to put in there. Center drill. You wouldn't put a center drill in the collet, but anyway. But you've got to have the right size collet for the right size thing that you're going to put in it. This, of course, is the edge finder. It will wiggle when you touch it, and it'll stay in place, and it's how you find the edge. You'll see that on the videos. This is what's called a fly cutter. It would be put into a collet. Let's see the size for this one. And when it spins, that one spot right there cuts. There's a video or it's included in one of the videos doing a fly cut. Another type of end mill, chuck key, and very importantly, parallels. These are pieces that go into the vise. And the vise is the primary holding system that we've got. I'm going to show you another one. But you put your parallels in here, and then you would put the item that you are going to machine in there. So that you could make sure that it's up and it's held tightly by the vise. Let's say I wanted to machine this, but not do it in the vise. We've got another way of doing that, and any good machine shop's going to come with T-slot bolts, and other things, dogs to fit this situation. Going to put the T-slot in there. Going to set this up so that it's all nice and flat and smooth. And I'm not going to be able to, I don't have the right wrench with me. So I'm just going to show you. I would have also put one on this side of it, so it would be held in two places with these clamps. And then I could bring my head in here and machine it right there on the table. Of course, cleaning up, you got to clean up everything and vacuum stuff out. And I think there's a zillion more things to go over with a mill, but for an intro class, I think that's it.